Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to reset your two-step verification password. So if you want to reset your two-step verification password on your Telegram, the first thing you have to do is to launch your Telegram. This is the interface of my Telegram. The next thing you have to do is to tap on the three dots at left corner of your screen. The next thing is to tap on your settings. So on your settings, you have to tap on privacy and security. The next thing you have to do is to tap on privacy and security, tap on two-step verification. Now, instead of entering your password, since you want to change your password, you just have to tap on forgotten password. Then you say we send a recovery code to the email you provided. So the email that you use for creating your code will be has already been sent to that email. All you just have to do is to copy the code and paste it here. After pasting it here, okay, let me go to my 35. So after pasting your new code, the code that was sent to your email, you just have to enter your new code, and that is all. Okay, let me enter my new code, my new password. So I will re-enter it again. And enter the hint that will help me to remember it. If you don't want to enter the hint, you can just skip it. It's not compulsory. So you can see success, your password for two-step verification has been changed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.